it dries, I am going to using the third step from our Trifecta. This is feels really nice already, but also I am going to use just the needles and not squeeze anything out yet. So I'm gonna feel it right here. It feels scratchy right here. When you do that, your clients also feel it with you too. So then that how it's, oh yeah, I feel that too. And you're gonna seal it. Each time you're gonna squeeze just that much. Little go a long way. So this is a special formulas of the glue gels for crystals, but is a thinner versions of it. So then that way, and also is tack free. So it's not the top coat, because if you're doing your top coat, it's not gonna hold it like this. So I sealed on the top of all the frames and the beads, but I only sealed on the edges and right on the base of the crystal only, because you don't want to do it on the top, because you are going to destroy the sparkle and the shine of it. So here for 60 seconds. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much, everyone. The second nails is, can I get the apple? All right, the second nails I'm gonna wipe off with alcohol. Let me see. Can't really tell much. But by the way, it's okay. You will see exactly what I'm, if you are trying that with your chrome flakes and then your crystal placement, you see exactly what I'm talking about. It's so beautiful. In my ends, I can see is really completely a difference from a little SS3 crystal seal sparkle on the top of the chrome flake. It looks like the camera doesn't do it justice at all because it's so light. I remember one time I did really dramatic set of nail, like a clear nails, and with a lot of glitters, crystals, but it's really like in light colors. So I couldn't get the picture after 3 hours. I couldn't get it. So probably you might have to turn off all the lights. Let me see if I can turn off the light. Turn off here for 60 seconds. I'm gonna turn off this light and then see it's less lighting, because it's too much lighting. It would not take it. So make sure don't do that red cap away, because I have this forever. Well, it's not 10 years though. Just you mean that is little go a long way. You using that to get in all in the edges. Also, if you decide like, oh my god, want to get some more AB on the cuticles right here, you can definitely using your precision glue gels. Is going to be your bestie. All right, so let's take a look, sis, and recap this super beautiful. I didn't do the glossing. Crystal clear and pure white, and then cornflake was a. We want cornflakes. Scalpel was good. There you go.